Are you a fucking chicken? Are you a motherfucking chicken? Scared of fucking dying like a fucking chicken? Being told where to go? Being told what to do? Americans aren't fucking chickens. What the fuck's happening to this place? Are you kids being fucking led into being pussies? I mean, this fucking world shutting down bullshit. It's time we just tell our fucking governors, mayors, the police, everybody that tries to tell us what to do, fuck you, I'm an American, I ain't no fucking chicken. So I say tell the fucking chicken keepers to suck this fucking cock. I'm fucking sick of it. Are you an American or are you a fucking chicken? Are you a fucking old school American or are you a new age kook? Fucking, you fuck, giving your fucking rights away. Should have never shut down. Fucking, you don't shut down, never shit. Fucking pussy ass bullshit. Fuck you. I'm disgraced. Most of you motherfucking Americans disgrace me the way you just, like a chicken. Fucking chicken. Fuck your mask. Fuck your chicken shit. God wants to take your life, he will right fucking now, says fuck you. Chicken fucks.